Hi, just a short video to show you the condition of this Dyson V6 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is serial number MJ5-UK-GDK8035A. It's in full working order with a brand new battery. So the main brush bar head, I've completely taken this apart, cleaned it, put it back together. It's all fully working, as you can see, very clean. Comes with a replacement combination tool, a replacement crevice tool, the official wall mount and charger. Has no wall mount screws, a couple of screws put in the wall and a couple of wall plugs you will require. Comes with the wand. It does have some very small scratches, very slight dents. Scratch there, very small dent there, but it's only cosmetic. And then the main unit. The filter, I've washed and cleaned and dried it. The main head, I've washed, cleaned and dried it. And the bin, washed, cleaned and dried it. This has a brand new 8000 mAh battery. And when I mean brand new, I installed this morning of this video. I purchased the battery last week. As you can see, it is in very good condition. On this Dyson, there is two modes. This is economy mode. When you turn it on next time and press the button, that goes into max mode. Economy mode, the battery lasts longer. Max mode gives it a boost, but the battery drains significantly until you have to charge it again. Economy mode, max mode, economy mode. To empty, hold over a bin, bag, whatever you want, and pull down on the red lever. The bottom will open and the rubbish you can tip out. There's a bit of dust in there. This will have dust in tight places, even though I have cleaned it. I'll just show it working quickly. Excuse the fingers in front of the camera. I'll do these videos to give you a peace of mind, to show you it actually working. So, very good, clean condition. I do have other Dysons listed also. Thanks for watching. Any questions at all, please ask.